I hear your gentle, sacred light. Father of the cosmos, guide us home. The light of the cosmic Father softly touches my heart, leading me through shadows, tender and silent in the dark.
Each step I take forward, my spirit begins to rise. For the sound of the Father is a river calling from the skies. Your light flows through the deep, awakening all we used to keep.
Father, let our hearts arise
In the glow of your eternal sky. Shine, Father, shine.
Let your light resound in every soul.
Guide us through time. Make our broken pieces whole. We rise, we align.
The sound of your holy might,
Oh, Father of the universe,
lead us into the Amid the desert's burning winds, you kindle hope within. The light of the cosmic Father, purifying every sin. My voice ascends the open sky, like bells in the silent night, washing tears of sorrow away, restoring the will to fight.
Father of light.
Let your voice roll like thunder. Let your love break us open. Let your glow pull us under.